Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about creating a basic login page and designing the web page using CSS. Introduction. Creating a login page is an essential step for any website or application that requires user authentication. It allows users to securely log in and access their personal information. In this video, we will know how to create a simple login page in HTML with CSS code. This tutorial will help you create a professional looking login page that is easy to navigate and use. You will see how to write the HTML and CSS code for a simple login page with a username and password. First, let us see what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the most important markup language that can be used to create a web page. It is used to display text, images, audio, and video on a web page. .html is the extension used for storing an HTML file. Now let us see what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to style HTML documents. CSS can make responsive web pages and is used for styling and its collection of formatting rules. It is used for designing purposes. The CSS extension is .css. There are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Step 1. Create a new folder and give a name to the folder. In this folder, save an HTML and CSS file. After creating the folders, open the Sublime Text Editor. Step 2. Click on File and select New File and then click Save. Give the file name as index.html, which creates a HTML file. Step 3. Next, click File and then New File and click Save. Give the file name as style.css, so a new CSS file is saved. Step 4. Now link the HTML and CSS to the HTML file. Just copy and paste this code in the heading tag. This is used to link the HTML and CSS file. Step 5. Next, create a structure for the login page using HTML, username, and password. So in the head tag, give the title of the web page that you want to create and then link the CSS file to the HTML file, and in the body, make a login page where a user can enter the login information with username and password. Create a button for logging in and then a checkbox to remember the username and password of the user, and a forgot password link to retrieve the password if the user has forgotten the password. Step 6. Next, write the code in CSS to apply some style to the HTML, so you can change the look of the login page. So these style attributes are used for styling the web page. This is used for the login box. This is used for the username box and the password box. The width, height, border radius, and the padding is mentioned. This is used for the text that is entered inside the login box. These are used to style the remember me checkbox and forgot password links. Step 7. Before using the CSS code, the output look like this. Only running the HTML code will give you the basic text boxes and checkboxes and buttons. After using the CSS code, the output looks like this. You can change the color attributes according to your wish. Best practices. Some best practices for designing and styling a professional login page include keeping the design simple and clutter free, using a clear and easy to read font, providing helpful error messages, and using HTTPS for secure communication. Following these practices will ensure that the login page is user-friendly and secure. In conclusion, you have learned how to create a simple login page. Remember to keep the design simple, use CSS to enhance the design, and follow best practices to ensure that the page is user-friendly and secure. Thank you.